How to cancel XE money transfer. XE is a foreign exchange company that provides real-time currency conversion, exchange rate data, and international money transfer services. It is widely used by individuals and businesses for checking exchange rates and sending money globally. To cancel transfer, you can go to this Contact Us page, and you can chat with them to cancel your transfer. To chat, you have to log into your account, or you can call to speak with XE team at this numbers. If you sent money to the wrong recipient, please contact them as soon as possible. They can't cancel a transfer that's been sent to the recipient, so they will speak to the receiving bank and ask them to return the money. This is called a recall request. If you know the recipient, you might want to contact them and ask them to return the money to you, but only if you feel safe doing so. That's it. Thanks for watching.